Now that we have learned how to set up a basic alarm function using a door window contact and an alarm siren, I would like to show you how to add another device with a motion detector to the alarm function. To add the device, we first click on More in the Homematic IP app, then select Add Device and press the pairing button on our motion detector. You can find the serial number as usual in the battery compartment of the device. To proceed, simply enter the last 4 digits of the number and confirm with Continue. The battery compartment can be closed again, otherwise a sabotage notification will appear in the Homematic IP app. Then please add the motion detector to any room. By clicking on plus, for example, we can select the living room and proceed with Continue. Again, you can also assign a name. Please confirm it with Continue. At the end of the setup process, please specify whether this device should turn on lights if certain brightness levels are not met or should be part of our alarm function. You can also use it in both scenarios at the same time. In this tutorial, we use this device for a security function. With that, the device is completely set up, and the successful setup process can be confirmed with Done. The status of the newly added motion detector can now be investigated on the home screen. In this moment, the device has detected no motion at all. However, if I put my hand in front of the motion detector, we will see that a motion has been detected in the living room. It works. In order for an alarm to be triggered when someone just walks past the motion detector, we first need to activate the alarm mode. We can do this via the second icon at the top left corner, where we can choose between alarm deactivated, presence and absence mode. We already got to know the presence mode with the door window contact. Here, all door and window contacts are included, and as soon as one of these contacts is opened, an alarm is triggered. Absence mode, on the other hand, is something different, as it also includes motion detectors. That means now all motion detectors and door window contacts are included in our alarm function. Please confirm this with OK, and as soon as I now trigger the motion detector, an alarm is triggered in the Homematic IP app as well as via the alarm siren.